Yam, boiled yam and sweet and sour chicken. Today I'm gonna show you how to cut up a old chicken. This is a old chicken. They usually come in like this. Alright, just cut it. Alright, you wanna remove the inside, which is this. You get the neck. This is the neck. This is the gizzle. And the kidney and the heart and everything is in this. Alright, this is the older chicken. First, you draw a line alongside here. Then you turn it over like this and draw a line alongside there. Like that. Then you do this and like that. Then you do that. See how simple? And then you just cut the breast. So this is a half. Okay now. This is the breast. This is the leg and the thigh. You want to cut right between the thigh. Right there. Alright. So this is a leg and a thigh. Alright. See? Feel for the joint and just cut right in the middle of the joint. So this is a leg and a thigh. This is now a breast and a wing. So you just go between the breast and the wing and feel a knife go down. So this is a wing, which if you want to cut it apart, you can easily do like that. So that's two pieces of wing. So this is a breast. And usually you cut a breast in half. Or you can leave it. So to recap, this is a breast, two pieces of breast, wing, which I cut apart, and the leg and the thigh. Now I'm going to show you how I clean it. To remove the skin, all you gotta do is just so that's removing the skin from a leg. You don't remove the skin from wings. And you just do like this and trim the fat. Just trim off the excess fat. Just peel off the skin. Just hold the skin and peel it. You gotta be friends with the meat, you know. It's not gonna hurt you. You just remove the excess fat and clean out in here. It's already clean. So this is the thigh, which tends to have the most fat. You just do like that. And this is the butt. Just do like that. and cut off the butt and just trim the excess fat. This is the thigh. Seems to carry the most fat. Alright, in between here where the bone is, there's some cloggy fats. You want to get rid of those too. And some clogged bloods. So you just want to clean it as much as possible. See, I told you, the thigh carry the most fat. So this is a clean piece of thigh. You can leave a little fat on it. So that's it. So we're gonna make sweet and sour chicken. We're gonna make sweet and sour chicken. So we in Jamaica love the bone. So I'm gonna cut these in inches, little square inches. So this is a piece of thigh. You can cut it like that. And if it's bony, you just do like this. So that's that. So that's 2 pieces. That's 4 pieces. A leg now. Cut a piece of leg. What you want to make? Just do like that. It's that simple. And the breast now is the easiest. You just slice it. This is chicken cut in small pieces of inches around that we're gonna fry and use for sweet and sour chicken. Yam, boiled yam and sweet and sour chicken. Sweet and sour chicken with brown rice.